How to make the Starship Enterprise, NCC 1701D, from aluminum foil. http pad3.whstatic.com images AA4 title 6.png. This article may benefit from a new introduction. PZ, you can help WikiHow by improving the current introduction, or writing a new one to match the format described in the writer's guide. Please remove this notice once this page has been improved. Notice added on 2013-03-01. Steps 1. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the contours of the Starship Enterprise. For the purposes of this article, we are creating a replica of the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701D. 2. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and cut off one sheet as the core main section of the ship. 3. Tighten up the centerpiece of foil. Keep in mind that this is just the base. 4. Use your fingers to create the pylons that will support the nacelles. We'll want the pylons to be overextended. Take 2 separate pieces of foil, one over each pylons, to create the desired nacelle. 5. Depending on how the ship is forming, you may want to add additional pieces of foil to reinforce the neck, lower body, and the pylons of the ship. 6. Create the nacelles of the ship and attach the nacelles to the pylons. This may require additional pieces of foil over the pylons. 7. Create the saucer section of the ship. Cut 3 pieces of foil. The first should be balled up. The other will be used to surround the balled-up piece of foil. 8. Attach the saucer section to the neck of the ship. 9. Apply cover foil to rough areas of the ship. 10. Enjoy. Things. A roll of aluminum foil. Scissors are optional.